Good morning, second class children. So today we are going to start the Hindi class. Okay. So be ready, all of you. I hope everyone is ready with your Hindi classwork notebook. Okay, children. Now let's start with again Varnamala. Before I start the 2-letter words or 3-letter words, let's start with Varnamala. Then again I will give you the reading practice from textbook. Okay. Now first let me start with the Varnamala in the classwork notebook. Everyone should has to write along with your teacher. Okay, children. So I hope everyone is ready with the Hindi classwork notebook. And please keep your pencil very sharp and be ready. And don't use a blunt pencil, children. Okay. Let's start Varnamala now. See, I am going to place a heading here. Look at here. Varnamala. Okay. Now let's start. From which letter? A letter. Okay. So come on, say A. Just touch the line and write. Okay. Place the finger gap space and touch the line and write. Look at here, children. I know everyone knows Varnamala, but in spite of that, let's start with the Varnamala. Then I will start with the 2-letter words. Again 3-letter words. Okay. So come on, say A. Ah. Pronounce it properly, children. This is A. Okay. Short sound. This is A. Drag the sound. Again E. Short sound. Look at the stroke. Write the stroke properly. Okay. You have to place the strokes very proper manner. E. Oo. Oo. Say like this. Pronounce the letter and write. Re. Okay. The next one is A. I. What is this? I letter. O. Ow. Aha. Okay, children. So we had completed A to aha. Now let's start with first row. Ka. Ka. Place the finger gap. Kha. Ga. Gha. Ni. Okay. Second row. So I think everyone knows how to write, but just write in the proper manner. Okay, children. Cha. Cha. Ja. Jha. Ni. Third row. What's the third row? Mid finger row, right? That is ta row. How many letters are there? 5 letters. First row, 5 letters we had completed. Second row, 5 letters. Now third row. Ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Okay. Next. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, fa. Can you able to see? Right. Ba, bha, ma. Okay. Next one. Ya, ra, la, va, she, sha, sa, ha, ksha, tra, gnya. Okay. Now we had completed A to Gnya letters. Okay, children. A to Gnya letters. Have you remember how many letters are there in the A to Aha letters? Come on, say. How many letters are there? Is it 13 letters or 10 letters? Yes, children. 13 letters are there. Okay. That is called Swar. What you should have to say? Swar. Okay. See, Swar and Vyanjan, no? I am not going to show you in the written part, children. Already I told in the oral way. Again, I am revising. This is recap session. Now look at here. A to aha. A से लेकर aha के अक्षरों को क्या कहते हैं? स्वर. क्या कहते हैं? स्वर. Okay. So next one is Vyanjan. In English, what do you say for swar? Vowels. Okay. What is it? Vowels. How many letters are there in the swar? 13 letters. कितने अक्षर होते हैं? 13 अक्षर होते हैं. अ से लेकर आहा तक कितने अक्षर होते हैं? 13 अक्षर होते हैं। उसे क्या कहते हैं? स्वर। अ से लेकर अह के अक्षरों को क्या कहते हैं? स्वर। ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज क। क से लेकर ज्ञ तक के अक्षरों को क्या कहते हैं बच्चे? बोलो बच्चों। इसको बोलते हैं व्यंजन। इसे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? व्यंजन। इंग्लिश में क्या कहना है? कॉन्सोनेंट्स। व्हाट इज दैट? कॉन्सोनेंट्स। इसमें कितने अक्षर होते हैं? आप बोल सकते हैं? नहीं ना, तो हम गिनेंगे वापस। चलो अभी हम इंग्लिश में काउंट करेंगे और हिंदी में, पर पहला हम लोग इंग्लिश में शुरू करेंगे। ओके बेटा, सो बी रेडी चिल्ड्रन। वी विल स्टार्ट विथ ओनली इन काउंटिंग नंबर्स इन इंग्लिश. हाउ मेनी लेटर्स आर देयर in Vyanjan, that is in consonants. Okay, first row, how many letters? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Second row, how many letters are there? Again 5 letters, that is it become 5 plus 5 10. Now third row, how many letters are there? 5 letters. After 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 3 rows, how many letters we have completed? 15 letters are there. Okay, now what is the fourth row? Again 16 17 18 19 and 20. This is fourth row. That is which row? What is the name of the fourth row? Ta akshar. Ta se lekar na. Okay, that is fourth row. Now what is the fifth row? Pa se lekar ma. Now 21 22 23 24 25. Yes, so ka to ma, how many letters are there now? 25, isn't it? Now the last row, that is sixth row, is a very lengthy row. How many letters are there? Let's start. Ya, ra, la, va, she, sha, sa, ha, ksha, tra, nya. How many letters are there now? 25 plus 11. So how many letters are there? Yes, come on say children, 36 letters. कितने अक्षर हैं? 36. How many letters are there in ka to gna in consonants? 36 letters. Okay, now 36 plus that 13 letters. How many, if you count that 13 letters also, how many letters will be now? 49 letters children. How many letters are there total? A to gna, how many letters are there? अ से लेकर ज्ञ तक अक्षर कितने होते हैं? 49, isn't it? So first in R to Ha, how many letters are there? Yes, come on say children. R to Ha, R to Ha कितने अक्षर होते हैं? 13 अक्षर. Okay, then क से लेकर ज्ञ तक कितने अक्षर होते हैं? Come on say children. Yes, क से लेकर ज्ञ तक कितने अक्षर होते हैं? अभी आप लोग काउंट करें ना, अभी बोल सकते हैं आप लोग. Yes, now that is totally 36. Okay, now total, if you count this 13 plus 36, how many letters are there? 49. Okay, so one letter we have not taught you, that is, now look at here, I will show you. This letter I have not shown to you all, that is Shri. Now look at here, this Shra Akshar. This I have not included in this A to Gna letters. Okay, this letter, if I include this letter, it becomes 50. But this letter I am not going to show you in this second class. Okay, now this you can learn in 4th or 5th class children. But here I can highlight only R to Gna letters. So only we need the स्वर और व्यंजन में कितने अक्षर होते हैं? कुल मतलब टोटल. कुल मिलाकर कितने अक्षर हो गए? 49, 39. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. I think it is very clear for you. Is it clear children? So please, you have to remember the rows of ka to gna letters. You should never miss any letter children, any row also. How you can identify very easily. See, you can make it with your finger. This is ka row, this is cha, this mid finger is ta. Okay, next one ka, cha, this mid finger is ta, fourth finger ta, fifth finger is pa. The last letter row is ya to gna letters, that is run with how many letters now? Yes, 11 letters. So you have to remember, never skip any letter children. Easily you can identify that. In first row how many letters are there? In second row how many letters are there? In third row how many letters are there? If you skip any letter, you can easily identify it. Yes, I have done this mistake. I had to skip one row. So you remember all your 5 fingers and go for this thing, writing part, and the last row is 11 letters. Okay, ya to gna letters are run. Just you remember this. Here how to pronounce now? K. K. Look at the different children, how teacher was teaching you. You have to grasp the sound of pronunciations. How to pronounce? K. Don't say k, k, g, g. No. K, short sound. Again it's a big sound. K. Okay. G, g, ni, nasal sound. Okay. So ये नाक से अक्षर अपने को आवाज आने का. This is called nasal sound. Ni. Again, ch, short sound. Ch, j, jh, ni. I hope it's very clear for you. You can able to understand, right? Come on, third row. T, th, d, dh, ana. T, th, d, dh, na. Pa, fa. It is not pa, it is fa. Fal. Ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va, she, sha, sa, ha, ksha, tra, nya. Got it now? So you had understand how to pronounce, how to write the letters, how many letters are there in Varnamala, isn't it? So these are all the basic steps you have to understand. Ever listen, you should never forget this Varnamala. Why you know that? If you want to write 2-letter words without matra, if at all you want to write 3-letter word without matra or 4-letter words, you can able to frame very easily, children. Should I show you one example? Yeah, now look at here. Now look at here, this is second letter A, isn't it? अब इस अक्षर को और यहाँ पे यानी कि व्यंजन के एक अक्षर को मिला A plus G, what it becomes? Ag. What is that? See, can you able to frame? See, you no need to think anything. All the words are in this Varnamala only. You can frame anywhere. See another word. You can frame J plus G, jug. Got it now? Ch plus T, chat. A plus T, art. Now go for this one. E plus K, eek. Got it now? Can you able to follow me? Yes, children. A plus M, arm. N plus L, null. So you can frame like this. These are the what? 2-letter words. Many words you can frame. Only just you have to concentrate on Varnamala. If you just observe this Varnamala, you can frame 2-letter words, 3-letter words and 4-letter words. If you got to know how to read this, to make it 2-letter and 3-letter words or 4-letter words, then you can frame the sentence. You can learn the sentence very easily, children. Okay. Now let's start from the textbook. I'll show you the textbook. Okay. Is it clear now, Varnamala? I hope everyone is going to write this Varnamala. Just make it classwork one time and homework one time, children. Okay. This is the homework for you all. Make it clear. Classwork one time, homework one time. And already we have done all this Varnamala in the classwork notebook, and teacher had stamped all the pictures related to this Varnamala, isn't it? So I hope everyone can understand this and do this Varnamala practice more and more in the at home. Okay. Now let's start. I'll show you in the textbook. Just I will show you, and tomorrow I am going to give you the practice of this 2-letter words, children. Okay. Now look at here. दो वर्णों वाले आमात्रिक शब्द. Okay. Words with 2 letters without symbols. Without symbol means what? Matra. Okay. पढ़िए, शब्दों को समझिए. Learn and try to understand. Read and understand these words. What are they? Here, look at here. F plus L. Fal. What is the meaning of fal? Yes. Fruits. What is that? fruits. Here look at that how they had joined. N plus L, null. What is this picture? Tab. Is it clear? Okay. See how easily we are learning, no? Okay. Now I will show you only the first row. Tomorrow I will continue the second and third row. Okay, children? Now come on, do it like this. K plus, you can split the letter like this. K plus L. Here also you can make it like this. K plus L. What it becomes? Kal. Split the letter again. J plus N. Jan. G plus R. Ghar. R plus T. Rat. Now how to learn? Now without split the letter and breaking this letters, you have to learn the word. Come on, say, speed up the word. How to learn? Kal. Jan. Ghar. Rat. Okay. Here you can see all the different sounds. Isn't it? There is no rhyming words. Now look at here one more thing. I'll show you one other thing. Look at here. After this, no, kal, the same rhyming words. Bal. 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 Chala. Chal. Jala. Jal. Nala. Nal. What are those? All are what? It is coming under? Yes, as like a rhyming words. Here, this is not a rhyming words. Okay. So tomorrow again I will teach you the 2-letter words of all the next 4 rows. Okay, children. So please do this practice at home. Varnamala and 2-letter words of from first row only. Only you do the practice of first row. Okay, children. Page number 7. Textual exercise. This is the textbook. Okay. So you have to go with the good practice, children. If you got to know reading, you can able to understand. And is it clear? Okay. Thank you, children.